decided to try this. Open this baby up. That looks like a nice healthy meal. Looking at the directions, do you keep the plastic on or do you take it off? It doesn't tell you. Because some things, they make you vent, some they make you take it off, some you keep on. So what do? Do you keep it on or not? But I've decided to try the chicken fried rice. In 5 minutes, I have a meal. Got one of my nifty little bowl holders, which is awesome. I'll pop this baby in. Take this little bit of information, make it larger, and put it on the back for everyone to see easily. People wear glasses, okay? Some people are half blind. Make it easy for them, okay? Make it easy for them. I love this. It may get warm, but see, you can touch this. Without this, you could not touch this. All right. It's time to try this. I would have to get plain white rice and mix with this. Oh, that's a little spicy. I don't like spice. That's spicy. So note to self, I got the least spiciest foods. It's the lowest on their scale. And my first taste, I got it. I tasted it. It's got a little bit of a kick to it. I would definitely need to mix some white rice with this, but that's okay because I already anticipated. I got another one that's more plain and I'm gonna mix with it because I know better.